Making cat food at home is surprisingly simple and rewarding. First, I gather fresh ingredients, lean meats like chicken or turkey, some fish, and a variety of veggies like carrots and peas. I start by cooking the meat thoroughly, ensuring it's safe for my cat. Then, I chop the veggies and steam them lightly to retain their nutrients. Next, I blend everything together, adding a bit of water or broth for moisture. It's important to include some essential nutrients, so I often sprinkle in a vitamin supplement designed for cats. Once it's all mixed, I portion it out into containers and store them in the fridge or freezer. Not only do I know exactly what my cat is eating, but I also enjoy watching them savor every bite. Homemade cat food can be a fun way to bond with my furry friend while ensuring they get a healthy, balanced diet. Plus, it saves money in the long run.